In case you missed it, we're here in New York City. In part 1 of our series, we explored everything there is to do in relation to Christmas here in New York, and in part 2, we visited all the top tourist attractions. Today, in our third and final part of our series, we've come to do something a little bit more unique, and we've come to the Colour Factory here in Soho. It's an interactive art museum where the key focus is colour. Let's go inside and check it out. Free jelly beans, let's go. So when you enter, you get a QR code. Register your details, and there are heaps of photo booths throughout the museum, and at the end all your photos will get emailed to you for free, which is super cool little addition here. So we're going to take lots of cool photos.
Alright, we've moved along to the next section, and there are colour coordinated macarons. We are allowed to take one each. There are 9 different flavours: raspberry, lemon, pistachio, coffee, chocolate, vanilla bean, vanilla, blueberry, passion fruit, lemon. I can't remember, I think I already said that. I didn't expect to get free treats today, and we've already got 2. Best day ever. What's your flavour?
I don't know, thinking vanilla bean, chocolate. I want all, but I'll pick one. We've now moved into the next room, which is a bit more about the senses. Again, all colour coded, but each colour represents a different scent. There are clues on the wall, and then you try and guess what scent it is. Some really, really good ones, some not so good ones, but it's pretty cool. So you've got 2 options for tickets for this museum. You can buy timed tickets, they do timed entries, or you can buy for a little bit extra an anytime ticket, which means you can come at any time during the day. So if you're not sure what your plans are when you're here in New York City, that might be a good option. Or if you're definite you'll get here in the morning or in the afternoon, book a time ticket.
I always knew she'd end up in jail. Can you hear me?
So in the last room, Rosh and I were sent into different rooms, sat across from each other, and it was a blind drawing exercise. So we had a piece of paper, and they first asked you to pick 2 colours that you saw in the person across from you, whether it was their hair or their eyes or their clothes, and then you had to pick what you thought their favourite colour was and what colour you felt their mood was today. And then the best bit was doing a blind drawing, so you put your pencil on the paper, you weren't allowed to lift it up, and you had to stare at your partner the entire time. So, I mean, these are masterpieces. And we've now come into the next room where we pick a candy each based on the colours that we were sitting at in the last room. So we've got orange and blue.
Alright, heading into the next room, and it sounds very loud.
So the trick is to start quiet.
Okay, that was way too much fun. I think it's time we head into the next room. We have made it into the Central Park confetti room, and I believe that this room changes its colour configuration depending on the season that you're in. So we're in winter at the moment. It's a bit of a winter wonderland. We've got lovely confetti. We've got confetti on the ground, confetti snowing from the sky, and Christmas trees around the room too.
And there's a few photo booths in this room, so we're definitely going to get some really cool photos. This might be my favourite room yet. Guys, this place is perfect for kids or big kids like us because it's so tactile, so much to do, so much to touch. You get treats. I mean, as a kid, this would have been like my ideal trip, and as an adult, it is as well. You got a little something.
Is it off?
We're good.
I am going to be pulling confetti out of my hair for days. We are now about to embark on a voyage of self-discovery here with a live flowchart that I think is going to lead us to a special colour. We'll see. But first we have to double check. Any confetti left over? Yes. Careful, discover yourself, Stacey. Do you enjoy karaoke? I think the people who listen to me wouldn't. Alright, now I'm about to enter a room alone. Oh, that is so freaking cool. now it's time to hit up the silent disco.
I'm quite tired now. Next room.
Alright, we've moved on to a hallway where, depending on the colour of the lighting, the walls will reveal a different kind of picture to us. I think it's to do with the saturation.
That's easy. Tip, do not overdress. It was -3 when we arrived here this morning, so we were wearing all the layers, all the thermals, but we are absolutely roasting, especially after that little dance break. But nonetheless, we've come through to our next room, which is an alternative alphabet of unique colours. So that's pretty cool.
This is what they said that my spirit colour was. Was it? Special. No.
We've come across more photo opportunities. This room are a bunch of pie charts describing what it's like to live in New York City. So you pick the pie chart that represents you the most. Each colour represents a different kind of mood.
Alright, I think we both just gave each other a concussion, but we've got the picture. Oh my god, is that ice cream? There is a very little that gets us more excited than free stuff and free food. Alright, the next room is literally just an entire ball pit. It's like a white, very, very light blue, almost white room, all the same colour, and the little balls in the ball pit are the same colour too. I think we're gonna dive straight in. I'm going in.
That hurts more than you think.
I will never let go, unlike like a lady from Titanic Road. Oh, this is surprisingly comfortable. No doubt very unhygienic, and we might get COVID, but very comfortable. I might be about to be struck by lightning. Yeah, the volume. Comment down below if you want to know what my treatment for the hair like this is. There is so much static electricity in here. Me and Stace just gave each other the biggest go down the slide at least once. Anticlimactic.
Okay, we're leaving the land of blue and returning to the world of colour.
And that rainbow walkway has unfortunately led us back to the entrance because we are finished. And that is it for our time at the Colour Factory here in New York City. That was so much fun. We were in there for over 2 hours. It was very interactive and we got a lot of free stuff, as you could see. We got a macaroon, we got jelly beans, we got ice cream, I got a funky straw.
Saltwater taffy.
Yes, that was awesome.
We had such a good time. It's perfect for kids, families, or adults like us. Everyone was in there having a great time. So definitely, that's a must do here in New York. That was so much fun.
Highly recommend. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We love reading them and we'll get back to all of them.
And this marks the end of our time here in New York City, sadly. But by the time you're watching this video, we'll already be in a new continent, which is crazy. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next video as we head to Asia.
We'll see you there.
Bye.